angles? Get my angles right? Okay. What it is, hope you're having a good day. And you read that right, okay? Doing something different today. I got a giveaway for you and a review. Friends at eXtremeRate went ahead and sent us one of their new products. It's for Xbox Series S, RGB LED strip. You might have noticed it right there. We already got it installed, but that's what we're gonna be talking about. First, to enter the giveaway, you gotta subscribe to the boy, like the video, leave a comment with your IG name, and follow eXtremeRate on IG. Just to keep it clear, this isn't an installation guide or a how-to video. This is solely my review, what I think of the product and would I get it, would I recommend? Quick answer, yes, I'd recommend. Hope that was short enough so you can leave the video now. Here's the box that it comes in, nice little cardboard box. Everything that you need is gonna be inside here. I'm talking about taking apart the Xbox, installing everything. All right here, you should be good to go. So let's get inside of it, yeah? I'm just kidding. We got the box open. Warning, follow operations and such. Okay, stickers, we can throw that over there. This is a diffuser for the LEDs. Very important, we'll put that to the side. A bunch of the adhesive stickers right here, so we'll leave these to the side. So this is the controller. You're gonna be able to control the LEDs. I think there's like 30 plus modes, but we'll check. There's a little pry bar, plastic pry bar. Nice to have. That's included as well. Is your torque screw, and right here is going to be the control board. This is what actually goes into your Xbox. It's already attached to the LED ring and the LED strips, and that's everything included. So I'm gonna quick get this installed in the Xbox. Everything's hooked up. Got the Xbox fan tapped into the control board right here. Control board going into the motherboard where the fan used to be connected. And here's the link to the installation video that eXtremeRate made themselves if you want some guidance while you're doing this yourself. All right, let's see how it looks. And here's how it looks flipping through the different color options with the remote. Real easy, lots of options. You're bored, you got time on your hands and you got money to waste, this is perfect for you. All right, but seriously, I think it's fun and I think it is a good product when it works, because I did get one that was sent to me that didn't work, but I don't want to hold that to them. That can happen to anybody, so I had to switch that. That was a little bit inconvenient, but it is what it is. Second time's the charm. Everything works, and I've already used their products before them sending some of this gear out. I bought it myself. Everything still works, so I think that's just a one-off. I don't want to knock them on that. So if you got some money to spend, $40 to $50 on this, and you don't mind that, and you want to add some lights, this is one of the few ways you can do that internally. You're not going to see anything on the back, no USB connections, everything's internal. And you got some time, you think you're a little bit savvy with this stuff, I'd recommend. Everything works, and I think it's really fun if you're into it. You know, you gotta want it though.